Hey, what's going on? Happy Sunday. How is my TTG fam doing on this wonderful evening? I hope you all had a great weekend. I hope you guys had a great weekend. But it's time to buckle up. Time to put that helmet on. Time to put on the gloves. Because tomorrow we dive right back into it. Guys, welcome to the TTG Livestream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. True Trading Group. For those of you that do not know or might be new, TTG, one of the fastest growing, highest rated online trading communities that teaches the everyday person how to become a consistently profitable trader. And the first thing you want to do right now, if you are brand new, is subscribe and turn on your notifications. Why? Because on every single one of my live streams, I share with you educational pieces of the same education that I received when I worked at a fund right out of college. For those that are brand new, my name is Michael Edward. I am the head trader at True Trading Group. My very first job out of college was working for a fund on Wall Street. They taught me everything it is that I know. They taught me everything to make me the trader that I am today. And I share golden nuggets of that information with you right here on this YouTube channel. So you're going to want to subscribe and turn on those notifications if you're brand new. We are streaming live right now on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. So welcome, welcome, welcome everyone that is joining us across all of those social media channels. I hope you guys had a great weekend and are ready to get down to business, because what a week last week. Last week, what a week, man. The action in this market is nuts. It's nuts. There's action everywhere. There's action in small caps, in mid caps, in large caps. There's action everywhere. GameStop, retarded short squeeze, right? Sun W, all the solar stocks. You guys remember Sun W, my swing trade from January 7th at $8? That stock's at like 22. That stock's at like $22 right now. Guys, the action is nuts. And this week, we've got a lot of earnings on deck. So we have a lot to talk about here this week. We're going to go over that weekly outlook here. And of course, we've got a lot of fun stuff going on. But before I talk about that, my TTG fam, let me ask you guys a question. Who in here is making money with True Trading Group in January? Type the number 1 right now in chat if you're making money with TTG in the month of January. Type the number 1 in chat right now. My TTG fam, sound off. I want to see who's killing it this month in January. Let me see those number 1s, baby. Let me see those number 1s. Yes. Look at them all go. Looks like a level 2 stock breaking through resistance. I love it. I love it. Look at all these number 1s. Get it. Jimmy Benson tripled his account in January. That's nuts. That is nuts. Oh, my God. Yes, Yanela from Facebook. Yanela, I saw you. Yanela from Facebook says, I want to do swing trading because I work a full-time job. Does True Trading Group do this? Yanela, absolutely. There are swing trades called out in True Trading Group basically on a daily basis. We are not just day trading, okay? We do day trading. We do swing trading. We do stocks. We do options. We do small caps. We do mid caps. We do large caps. We trade them all. It's not just me. We have a lot of other professional traders that are in chat, that are TTG moderators, that are also calling out trades. Okay, so even if you're a swing trader or if you're a day trader, there are trade alerts and there's education for you guys here in the TTG community. Look at all of these comments in chat. Sam Prado went from 800 to 6,700 in the month of January. That is nuts. That is nuts. Oh, that's incredible. Yes, way to go, Doug. Doug, TTG certified this week. Brenda McQuinn up 20 grand in January. Yes. Yes. Hell yes. Yanela, my pleasure. My pleasure. $2,000 a week for Roberto Carrera. Nice job. Vinicius Sousa. Very nice job. $1,500 profits just last week. Nigel with a $40,000 day. Big money, Nigel. Oh, my God. Indoor smokers up $13,000 in the month of January. Yes. Tommy went from 7,500 to 12,500, almost a complete double. Oh, my God. Glenny, my man. Jeff is up 37,000. 4K last week for Yusufo. Yvonne made 4K last week as well. 80K for Allen. $1,000 to $4,000. Oh my God, look at this. Over 5K. Tom Gallant's up 6,800. Joel Marshall, 60K to 115K. Oh my God. Dummy Fish, $7,000 profit. Massimo made 3,300 just on Friday. Abelot's up 66,000 just last week. Maurice is up $3,000 in January. Rhonda's up 4,700. Umar's up 6K in 2 weeks. Yes. Woo! Rod McLean, 4 green days last week. Yes. Oh my God, I love it. Rotan 1231 already's made over $1,000 on just their trial in 3 days. A 15K week for Travis. Oh my God. Brandon's wife says thank you for the 5K week. Incredible. Oh my God. Nomad Investors up 4,500 in just 3 weeks. Roy's up 18K just on Friday alone. Grant Draper's up 8K in 1 week. Oh, I love it. BM 30,000 in January. Woo! Alan Alberry's up 80% on his account. And guys, listen up. Also, very important to mention. First of all, I'm super proud of all of you that are typing away, that are killing it in January. I'm super proud of all. You're happy for all of you. But it's also important to mention that if you're still not profitable, okay, or if you're not making money with us, do not worry, because we leave no trader behind. And we will take the time needed to work with you so that you can chime off in chat, same as what you guys are seeing now. Okay. Now, I know I ask you guys to comment who's making money, who's killing it, and you see everyone's typing their messages, but the reality of it is that not everybody is killing it. Okay. There are still some traders that are still struggling a little bit, but what I will say to you right now is do not get discouraged by seeing people type their successes right now in chat. Do not get discouraged. You do not know where all of these people are in their trading careers, in their trading journeys. You don't know what their P&L is like over the last year, over the last 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Okay, what I will say to you is that I can tell you firsthand that I know for a fact that some of these people that are chiming off right now in chat, I know for a fact that many of them struggled at the beginning, and it took the time and put in the effort for them to get better, and you can too. And I promise you that myself and the rest of the TTG community will be there right by your side to help you through that process. That's why every couple weeks we do a red to green workshop in chat, okay, where we specifically work with traders that are still red, because in TTG we leave no trader behind. I think it's very important it's always fun to talk about, hey, who's killing it, who's making money, but the reality of it is, guys, is that you've got to talk about the struggles too. It's not always sunshine and rainbows. It's not just pouring money from the skies. Okay. It's also important to talk about the losses. And if you are someone that is struggling in the month of January, okay, my advice to you would be maybe to go down to our trade simulator, paper trade for a little bit, go back through the courses, attend a red to green workshop, attend the study group, go back, review the workshops and webinars that are available to you in the video library, ask questions and practice on the simulator until you get yourself back on track. That's my advice to you if you guys have been struggling. We have a responsibility to those who are struggling or those who have never traded before that are watching this to acknowledge both the wins and the losses. I don't want you guys just to think, oh, I'm going to sign up to TTG and I'll make $80,000 in a week. If you've never traded before, it takes time, it takes effort, it takes a willingness to actually learn in order to get to the success and to the numbers that you're seeing people comment in chat right now. But the main thing to take away from this, these people were in your exact same shoes just a couple weeks or a couple months ago. If they can do it, so can you. Okay? If they can do it, so can you. All right. So with that said, guys, congratulations to everyone that's commenting in chat. This is incredible. Greg, oh my God, Greg, you've turned $550 into 220 grand in a year and a half. That is mind-boggling. That is incredible, man. That is absolutely incredible. Wow. Wow. Joseph Nolan, P&L is growing gradually. I'm at least trading confidently now. Yes. There you go. Joseph says, yeah, Mike, it took me a few weeks just to cut the losses and to start making profit. Exactly, guys. Exactly. All right. So it's important. Okay. It's important for me to discuss that. Okay. So good stuff, guys. Yeah, our red to green workshops, guys, are 1 to 2 times a month, every month. Okay, we post the schedule on your dashboard in chat. So on your dashboard in chat, you'll see our schedule for our workshops. That's where we will have the dates of our red to green workshop. Again, our red to green workshop, guys, are for those traders that are still struggling. Myself and a couple of the other moderators conduct, it's about a 2-hour long workshop where we talk about specific questions and topics that our struggling members want us to go over. And we get, kind of some, like it's not one-on-one because it is a group setting, but you get like that real quality, private mentorship where we can focus on the topics and questions that you have. Okay. It's under the red to green tab on your dashboard. All the sessions are recorded. Okay. All the sessions are recorded, so you guys can go back and watch them at any time. Okay. So like I said, we leave no trader behind. I don't just focus on all the winners and, hey, if you're losing, tough crap. No, we leave no trader behind. That's our saying there in TTG. And that goes for me, the moderators, and also all the members. All the members are super helpful, guys. What I will tell you guys, honestly, in TTG, do not ever feel embarrassed, ashamed to ask questions and to ask for help. The entire TTG family is extremely helpful, and we all genuinely care if each other succeed or fail. So if you're struggling, don't ever feel like embarrassed to ask for help or even to ask a question in chat, because if it's not me, it'll be one of the other moderators that answers that question, or it'll be one of the TTG members themselves that will answer that question. Okay, we're all in this game together, guys. We all share the same goal, right? We all want to learn, trade, and profit together. We all share the same goal. So that's what I will say to anyone that is still struggling. Okay. Wow, that's incredible. Sorry, guys, just reading a couple more of the comments that were coming through in chat. So good stuff, guys. All right, great way to start. Let's get things rolling. Let me ask you guys this now. If this is your first time on a TTG live stream, all right, if this is your first time on a TTG live stream, type the letter I in chat right now. This is your first time on a live stream. If you guys are new to this, type the letter I in chat right now. Okay, Albert Einstein. It's Albert's first time. Chip, Alden, Chris, Jim, Keith. Whoa. I can't even keep up. Wow, that is so many letter I's. You guys are typing way too fast. Wow, that's a lot of letter I's. Okay, a lot more new faces than I was even expecting. So many. That's a lot of letter I's. That is a lot of letter I's. Okay. Wow. Guys, listen. Everyone that just typed the letter I in chat. Okay. We have a lot of new faces here tonight. Everyone that just typed the letter I in chat right now. Okay. Welcome. All right. Let me explain to you guys what is happening tonight and why it is so special. You guys are actually really in luck for joining us tonight on this live stream. This is your very first live. So I already kind of told you about TTG. I told you about who I am. But tonight on this live stream, I'm going to be raffling off a brand new Tesla Model 3 or $30,000 cold hard cash to one lucky TTG member. In True Trading Group, guys, we are constantly giving back to all of our members. We do a lot of fun stuff with our members. We do a lot of giveaways. We give away laptops, trading rigs. We give away Amazon Kindles. We give away Teslas. We give away Porsches. We do a lot of fun stuff with our members and kind of keeping them engaged within the community. And tonight we're giving away $30,000 or a Tesla Model 3. Every 300 new members that we get into training group, I do this. Okay, so I give away a Tesla or $30,000 live right here on this YouTube channel. And we have just, I just closed off that last raffle on Friday. So we're going to be doing that here tonight. So I hope you guys are excited. You guys are joining us on one hell of an exciting live stream because I'm going to be giving away $30,000. So it's really special. So what I'm going to do, guys, right now, I'm going to give some time for people to log on because you have a lot of people. Okay. Can I join? All right, hold on. All right, so guys, listen, there's a lot of people that are commenting right now in chat that are asking how to join. So here, what I'll do right now, guys, real quick, I'm just going to tell you guys how to join it for those, because there's a lot of people that are asking how to join. Let me just 2 minutes. I'll just tell you guys, you can join TTG, guys. We have a 1-year all-inclusive membership. Okay, we have a 1-year all-inclusive membership for those that are asking. A 1-year membership normally would cost you $2,212 for the year, but tonight on this live stream until midnight, I'm giving a 40% discount for those that use the coupon code TTG121. It's right there at the bottom of your screen. That will knock the price all the way down to just $1,315. That is a 1-year all-inclusive membership. You get access to every single thing we have. There's no upsells. You guys get access to every single course that we have. That's beginner courses, foundation courses, advanced courses, option courses, swing trading, trader psychology. We even have a course on how to do your taxes, how to trade during a market crash. All of our courses you get access to, as well as all of our other resources and tools. We have trade simulators. We have TradingView's pro charting software. We've got Benzinga's live news feed. We've got trade idea scanners. All of that stuff is included with your membership when you use coupon code TTG121. And you can use that until midnight tonight to get a 40% discount, which gives you that $13.15 price point. Guys, listen, if you go to the website right now, the price is going to show $1,990. You have to input the coupon code TTG121 and then hit apply to have the discount code reflect. Okay, that'll get you to the $1,315 price point. Okay, so a lot of people are just asking in chat. I wasn't going to talk about it, but for those that were asking, that's how you guys can join True Trading Group. Okay, and take advantage of that discount. The discount is there. If you guys are here on the live stream, I want you to get the discount that I give away on the YouTube channel versus if you just came to our website from some other means. So you guys are supporting me and the YouTube channel. So I want to make sure that you guys are taking care of that, or at least, get that discount. And I want to see you guys pay full price. So use that coupon code. It's available until midnight. That price, $13.15, it's available until midnight. Okay. So now what I want to do here, I want to give some time for people to log on before we get things started, because like I said, it's a very special live stream. It's like, guys, I'm giving away a car. I'm giving away a Tesla or $30,000. So I want to make sure I give people time to log on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do like an open forum Q&A for about like 10 or 15 minutes. Like 10 or 15 minutes, I'm going to do an open floor Q&A. And then we're going to dive into the weekly outlook. We have a lot of earnings that are coming up on deck this week. The markets are sitting right below all-time highs. I've got an open swing trade that I'm in. I want to talk to you guys. Everyone wants to know about GME and GameStop. I'm going to tell you how I plan on trading GameStop on Monday. We have a lot to talk about. So let's do like 10 or 15 minutes. I'll answer like maybe 3 or 4 questions. Fire away, open forum, ask me questions, give some time for people to log on, and then we're going to dive into that weekly outlook. Go ahead, guys. Fire away. Ask me questions. Yes, Indoor Smoker says, I've been killing it with NNDM. Should I keep holding? I like NNDM a lot. Long-term. Listen, the stock has gone crazy. The stock has made a huge move. Okay. What's your timetable with this trade, Indoor Smokers? You have to ask yourself. Did you buy NNDM just for like a little swing trade? Because if you did, you're up a lot of money. That stock's made a huge move in the last week or 2 weeks. I would take profits off the table. But if you bought NNDM as part of your long-term portfolio, I say you hold it. I think that NNDM has serious long-term potential. I would hold it. Like I'm talking like for the next several years. If that's your timetable, you've got to ask yourself, did you buy it for like a little swing trade and you just wanted to generate some income off the trade? Or are you investing in that long-term? If that was your goal, if you were investing in NNDM long-term, I like it long-term, like several years out, hold it. But if it was just a swing trade, be smart. It's made a huge move. Take profits off the table. What details distinguish a triangle from a wedge? For more dollars, what details determine a triangle from a wedge? A triangle is the main difference in a triangle and a wedge is that a wedge will usually be like equilateral, or not equilateral. That's not the right word, but you'll have a downtrend and an uptrend line that forms the wedge. So your resistance level on a wedge will be trending downwards. Your support level on a wedge will be trending upwards. And that's how you'll get literally like the wedge pattern. It'll look like this. So what makes a triangle different? A triangle, one of those trend lines could be horizontal, could be flat. So let's say, for example, you can have a flat support trend line and a downtrend resistance line, and that form a triangle pattern, okay? Or the other way around, you can have a flat resistance and you can have an uptrend support line, and that would form your triangle. That's really the biggest difference in a triangle and a wedge. They're extremely similar patterns. A lot of people just kind of mush them together to kind of create a similar pattern. Descending triangles and ascending triangles are a little bit different, okay, depending on where you're trading them as far as trend reversal patterns versus trend continuation patterns. Most wedges are going to be trend continuation patterns, okay? Most wedges will be trend continuation patterns. But triangle patterns, depending on if it's an ascending triangle or a descending triangle, could also be trend reversal patterns, okay? And the biggest difference is that one of those trend lines could be straight across. That's the biggest difference in a triangle or a wedge. Let's see. Next question. Michael Edward, can you talk about an example of how to set a stop loss? Okay. How to set a stop loss. This question is from Janet M. You know what? Let me talk about this, guys, a little bit, because it might sound like a real basic question. It's not. I guarantee you there's a lot of traders that are on here that have been trading for a little while that do not properly know how to set stop losses. And when I say how to set stop losses, I'm not talking about actually entering an order on your platform. Yeah, obviously you can enter an order. Obviously you can enter an order on your platform, right? But when it comes to stop losses, this is something a lot of traders do wrong. And I think this will maybe be one of the last questions I take before we dive in, because this is going to take me a little bit of time, but it's very important. So guys, listen up seriously, grab a pen and paper, because this is going to be an extremely important lesson that I'm going to go over with you. It's a very important lesson, so pay very close attention, please. The proper way to set stop losses and to use proper risk management is to set your stop loss based on the chart pattern itself, okay? You are not setting your stop loss based on some arbitrary percentage. What a lot of traders do wrong is they say, I'm going to buy the stock, I set my stop loss at 5%. What is 5%? That is a completely made up arbitrary number that you probably heard before from somebody else on YouTube that has no idea what they're actually doing. And that is the wrong way to set stop losses. I can have my stop loss be 1%, 3%, 5%, 7%. Hell, I can have my stop loss be 10% away if that is where the support level on the chart pattern is. Your stop loss needs to be just beneath the support level that will make that chart pattern, whatever the chart pattern is that you're looking at, there's going to be a level that if the stock gets below that level, that chart setup is broken down. Your stop loss needs to be below that support level. So it's not about 5% or 4%. It could be 8%. It could be 10%, especially if you're trading one of those real high volatile, fast moving small caps. Now you might say, well, whoa, 10%, that's way too much for me to risk. No, it's not. You adjust your position size to account for the risk. As long as the potential reward is there, I'll risk 10% if I'm going to potentially make 35. As long as the risk reward on the trade makes sense. Okay. It's like, are you going to buy a stock? Like, okay, I'll buy a stock at $4 and risk down to 360. Okay. That's a 10% loss, right? I'll do that. If the stock I think is going to go to 6, I'll do that all day long. Okay. So how do you adjust for that risk? You need to figure out what is a dollar amount that you're comfortable risking per trade. What's that number for you? Now, for some of you, it could be $50. For some, it's 100, 200, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000. That number is up to you. I can't tell you what that number is for you. Everyone has their own risk tolerance. You've got to ask yourself, what is the dollar amount you're comfortable risking per trade? Once you figure out that number, whenever you enter a trade, you need to know where your stop loss is based on the chart pattern. Where's the support level? Let's say there's support at $5. If there's support at $5, you're going to set your stop loss just beneath that. You're not going to set your stop loss at $4.99. You're going to set your stop loss at maybe $4.90, $4.91. If it's a real crazy high volatile stock, give it a little bit more room. Okay. And now if you buy the stock at, let's say, $5.12, you're going to adjust your position size. So if you get stopped out at, let's say, $4.90, you're going to lose whatever the dollar amount is that you're comfortable risking per trade. Let's say for you, it's $100. That's the number you're comfortable risking. So if you buy a stock at $5.12 and your stop loss is $4.90, you're going to adjust your position size. So if you get stopped out at $4.90, you lose $100. Now, let's say you buy that exact same stock at $5.20. Your stop loss is still $4.90, folks. Just because you buy a little bit higher does not mean you move your stop loss now up to $5.02. You move your stop loss up to $5.02, guess what happens? The stock pulls back in to test that $5 support. The $5 support holds, but you get stopped out right into the support level. Then the stock runs to $6.50, and you say to me, Mike, I don't know what I'm doing. I always get stopped out, and the stock runs higher without me. That's because your stop loss is in the wrong place, and it's most likely because you're buying the exact same dollar amount in every trade, and you're setting your stop loss at some random percentage. You should not enter. Like if you say to me, you go, Mike, what's your average position size? I automatically know you do this part wrong. You shouldn't be asking me, what's my average position size? You should ask me, Mike, what's your average risk per trade? How much money am I willing to risk per trade? Because I can tell you right now, if I'm comfortable risking $5,000 per trade, let me give you 3 examples. I could put $10,000 into a next day SPY put option. And if I'm wrong on that trade, because how volatile that next day option expiration will be with the time decay, I can risk 50% on that trade easy. But if I'm right, I might make 150%, 200%. So the risk reward is there. So I'll risk the 50%. If I'm wrong on the $10,000 position, I'll lose $5,000. Now let's go to, let's say, a $5 stock, a small cap. Let's say I'm buying it at $5. I'm stopping out at $4.50. Well, if I want to lose $5,000, if that's my risk tolerance, I'll buy 10,000 shares at $5. If I lose 50 cents a share, that's $5,000 of risk. So now that's a $50,000 position size where I'm still risking $5,000. Now let's go to a large cap stock. Let's go to like a $500 stock. And let's say the $500 stock, I'm going to buy it at $500 a share. My stop loss is $4.95. Well, if my stop loss is $4.95, then what does that mean? I'm buying 1,000 shares at $500 a share. If I lose, it gets stopped out at $4.95. What do I lose? $5,000. But how much money am I putting into that trade with 1,000 shares at $500 a share? $500,000. So I just gave you 3 trade examples, one with $10,000 size, one with $50,000 size, and one with $500,000 size. And I'm still risking the exact same $5,000 on each and every trade. That is how you properly set stop losses. That is how you properly adjust your position size. I guarantee you more than half of you right now on this live stream probably say, I buy $2,500 worth of every stock that I buy. And if you're doing that, your losses are going to be all over the place. You're going to have one trade, you're going to lose 200. Another trade, you're going to lose 600. Another trade, you're going to lose 400. Another trade, you're going to lose 900. Your losses are going to be all over the place. You need to have consistency in your losses. Therefore, you need to have consistency in your risk. This is the proper way to use and set stop losses. Okay? Please make sure you guys understand this aspect of it. If you do not get this part of it down, I promise you, you're going to have an extremely difficult time ever being consistently profitable. This is one of the most important aspects of risk management that I teach to all of TTG members, and most traders do this wrong. But not you anymore, right? Now you know how to do it. Okay, I highly recommend when this live stream is over, go back because this video will load back up on the YouTube channel. Re-watch that lesson. It is crucial to your profitability. So re-watch it. Okay. All right, guys. So that just about does it there for, I think that just about does it there for my Q&A. Let me see. Yeah. All right. So that just about does it there for the Q&A, guys. What I'll do now, Mike, doesn't a wedge look like a flag sometimes? Yes. All is well, Ed. A wedge is a flag. I'm sorry. A flag is a wedge, but a wedge does not have to be a flag. Okay. Let me show you guys what I mean by that. This will be my last question, then I'll move on. Let me go to the charts. Let me guys show you what I'm talking about. Let me give you the example. So I'm just gonna don't mind the screen. I'm just gonna draw my own. I'm gonna draw my own chart pattern right now. Okay, don't mind me. All right, I'm gonna draw my own chart pattern right now. All right, we're gonna do a little arts and crafts. Okay, we're gonna do some arts and crafts real quick. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys right now a flag. Okay, the difference between a flag and a wedge. Okay, the difference between a flag and a wedge. I love this. Is my favorite part. I like drawing charts. All right, I like drawing charts. Okay, now what I want to show you guys real quick with this chart pattern, okay, this chart pattern would be a flag. Okay, this would be a flag. All right, now the flag is a wedge, right? This part right here is a wedge. That is a wedge. This is a wedge. The only part that makes it a flag is the flag pole, okay, the up move. So a flag requires a flag pole. So when you get this big up move, that's your flag pole. And then when your flag forms, your flag is a wedge. So this is a wedge, but it's attached to a flagpole, which makes it a flag. Okay, that's what makes it a flag. Now, you can have a chart that just looks like this, okay, that does not have the big flagpole. Okay, it does not have, maybe the stock just opens up, maybe it just opens up off the day and it just starts to do this off the morning. Now, you don't have the pole. So now that would be a wedge, but it would not be a flag. Okay, it would not be a flag. It would just be a wedge. That's the only difference between a wedge and a flag. Okay, so a flag is a wedge just with a flagpole. Okay, basic, right? No problem. All is well, Ed. Listen, I love drawing stuff on my chart, so I think that was more fun for me than it was for you. All right, I think it was more fun for me than it was for you. All right, guys, let's dive in. All right, let's dive in here. Let me. Okay. All right, so we've got Tesla is on Wednesday, right? Tesla is Wednesday. All right. Apple is Wednesday. And AMD is Tuesday. All right, so let's dive in here, guys. Let's get into the weekly outlook because, like I said, we've got a lot of earnings out this week. You've got Apple, you've got Tesla, you've got AMD. Okay, Apple, Tesla Wednesday, AMD Tuesday. All right, now Apple and Tesla. Now you're talking about two of the largest components of the S&P. So drastic moves in either one of those stocks will affect the overall market. Okay, if Apple moves at a 5 or 6% clip, that is going to pull the overall markets either up or down, depending on the movement of Apple in conjunction with Tesla. Let's say Tesla and Apple, for example, let's say maybe both of them completely crap the bed on earnings and they both drop significantly. Those are two of the biggest market caps in the S&P having significant price action that will affect the overall S&P. Okay, so it's important that you guys know that if you're going to be trading the overall market, okay, after earnings on Apple or with Apple and Tesla, you've got to make sure you know what those stocks are doing because let's say, for example, Apple and Tesla are down big and you buy call options on the SPY, you're going to have a very hard time getting paid on that if Apple and Tesla are holding the S&P down. You're going to have a very, very, very hard time getting paid on call options. So if you're going to be trading the overall market, watch to see what Tesla and Apple do with regards to earnings, because then maybe on Thursday, if you have tremendous strength in Apple and Tesla, you can maybe try to ride some call options on the overall markets if you don't want to trade the individual stocks themselves. These are some things that you're going to want to pay attention to. But let's get to the charts. Let's talk about some levels. I want to go over some support and resistance levels on the SPY. We'll talk about Apple and Tesla, and then I've got an open swing trade I want to update you guys on. So let's take it to the charts, and then we're going to dive into the fun part. Okay, we're going to get into the fun part later, which is giving away a Tesla, giving away 30 grand. So you guys want to make sure you guys stick around because I'm doing that in just a few minutes after we finish the weekly outlook. Let's get to the SPY first. Okay, so you'll see with the SPY just beneath all-time highs. Okay, I'm going to go to a 15-minute chart first. I want to show you guys, I want to point out a level to you here. Okay, I want to point out a level to you here on the SPY, and it's right around 381. Okay, I want you guys to know this level. This is going to be a key level of support. As you see here, prior resistance on the SPY back in early and mid-January. This was your previous all-time high before Inauguration Day. Inauguration Day is when we blew through that level, and then we extended to new all-time highs, and we've been trading sideways ever since. Now, we have the futures market right now. We're up a little bit. All right, we're up 13 points there. We're up 0.34% on the S&P futures. So we're getting a little bit of a gap up here right now. We're at 384.71. So call it 384.50 to 385 is where we'll be looking at a potential gap up tomorrow if that level holds. Your all-time high on the SPY is 385. So we're going to be gapping up if this holds. If the futures market holds overnight, you're going to be looking at a gap up right beneath all-time highs. Okay, so we're going to draw a line. There's your all-time highs. You've got a little bit of a double top there on the all-time highs right in front of that 385. And then you've got all this previous resistance down here at 381. This could be a range that the market may trade in and then before Apple and Tesla earnings. It is very possible because we've got this little gap up on futures. We've got a little bit of some COVID concerns. You've got COVID kind of concerns popping back up in China, okay, that you may get a little where the markets might just wait. The markets might just trade sideways a little bit. If we cannot get through 385, if the market starts to fade, let it fade. Let it fade. Because if it fades down to 381, that's a beautiful opportunity for you guys to buy call options and get to bounce off 381. Okay, I think 381 support is stronger than 385 resistance. Okay, so I think 381 support is stronger than 385 resistance. And it's very possible that you can see the overall market just trade inside this range until Wednesday when Apple and Tesla report earnings. Because like I said, those are two of the largest components in the S&P, and that could be something that could break the markets out of that little range and can get us above 385 or below 381. So that's what I'm going to be looking for going into this week. I've been getting paid on individual stocks. I have not traded the overall markets in a few weeks because action in individual stocks is fantastic. I think there's better action trading individual stocks right now than the overall markets. So I'm going to continue to focus on individual stocks. But for those of you that are looking at overall market trades, these are levels I think you need to focus on. Okay. Now let's talk about Apple real quick. We're going to go over some levels here for Apple. As you guys can see here, Apple up all-time highs. Okay. Apple up all-time highs. All right. I think Apple continues to all-time highs. I think Apple gets up to around 150. Okay. I think Apple gets up to around 150. All right. Going after their earnings. Hold on, guys. Guys, real quick. So I'm going to keep going with the market outlook. I'm going to keep going with the market outlook for Apple, Tesla. I'm going to talk about my swing trade as well. I'm going to keep going. But if we do not have 1,500 likes before I'm done with the market outlook, I'm not doing the Tesla giveaway. So if you guys want me to give away a Tesla or $30,000, I need 1,500 likes. We've got 400 to go. I'm going to continue doing my weekly outlook. By the time I'm done and I look back to the screen, I better see 1,500 likes. Show me how much you guys appreciate the time, energy, and effort that goes into these lives. Show me how much you guys appreciate me sharing all this education with you and sharing my technical analysis and my trade ideas and everything with you guys. And of course, if you're excited to have a chance to win a Tesla or $30,000, go ahead, guys, and smash that like button. I want to see 1,500 likes before we get things, get to that giveaway. So going back to to Apple, obviously, guys, all-time highs. I think Apple's going to continue to float to all-time highs. I'm looking for 145 to 150 once they announce their earnings, and I think that pulls the overall markets to new highs as well. Okay, so I'm looking for Apple to continue up through these all-time highs. What I'm going to look for now, okay, is a gap up tomorrow on Apple. I think Apple gaps up tomorrow, and then you have this previous double top on your prior all-time highs around 138. Okay, so what I'm going to look for on Apple is look for 138 to hold. Okay, look for 138 to hold. And then if you get let's say tomorrow, Apple gaps up to, let's say 141, maybe it pulls back or maybe, pulls back to 138, look for that level to hold and try to catch a bounce off that area before Apple goes into earnings. Remember, they report earnings on Wednesday. So if you don't want to be in the stock during earnings, make sure you're out before that. Now let's head over to Tesla real quick. As crazy as this sounds, Tesla is in a gigantic bull flag. Tesla is in a gigantic bull flag. Okay, they're in a gigantic bull flag. If they beat earnings, you could see this stock run to $1,000. Okay. If they beat earnings, you could see this stock run to $1,000. I am actually shocked that this stock has not pulled in after this run. I'm shocked. By every sense of the word, this stock is overextended. But it's one of the biggest cult following stocks I have ever seen in my entire trading career. It is when they did their split, guys, when Tesla did their split, everybody would ask me, like, do you think it can go back to 1,000? And I said, I think it is going back to 1,000. But I thought it was going to take 2 to 3 years for Tesla to get to $1,000 a share. We could do it within the next 2 weeks. If they beat earnings, if they come out with some kind of knock your socks off earnings and they come out with maybe some news update with China production, they've got the German factory. If they come out with updates with that stuff, this thing, the momentum could take it right to 1,000. It's possible. This is a bull flag setup on the daily chart. It's a very clean bull flag setup. I would look for Tesla to break up and out of this flag. And if it breaks up and out of this flag and you get a day that looks like this, watch for Tesla to stay outside of the flag. If it does not fall back inside the flag, you could see this thing push to 1,000 if they beat earnings. Remember, Earnings are going to be everything for Apple and Tesla this week. The technicals will mean nothing if both of them miss earnings. If both of them miss earnings, then the stocks will have significant pullbacks, and the bullish technical chart setup will mean nothing. Okay, the bullish technical setup will mean nothing if they both miss on earnings. Okay. Now, next, there we go, 1,600 likes. Now we're talking, guys. Thank you. I appreciate all of you for smashing that like button for me. I love you guys. Now let's go to my open swing trade. I want to give you guys a quick little update on this. I am long WWR. Okay, I'm long WWR for a swing trade. I've already taken a piece of profit off this position. 750 to 760 is a very key level. We have to get through 750 to 760. If we do, stock's got room to at least 9. Okay, so what I'm looking for here on WWR, I'll show you guys, I am long. Where are we? Right there. I'm long right here at $6.70. For those that are brand new to the channel, okay, if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you guys know I told you guys when I entered this trade. So I'm long WWR from $6.70. I took a piece of profit off the table right there at $7.22, and I'm still long 75% of my position. Okay, I'm long at 670. I sold 25% right there in front of 750. Why did I sell 25% of my position in front of 750? I didn't have a crystal ball that I knew the stock was going to reject at that level. I just know that it is a resistance point. And because it's a resistance point, it's a profit target for me. Let me go to the daily chart and I'll show you guys why that's a resistance level. As you look back left, there's your previous pivot high. And look back further left, there's prior support. And that is a gap fill. So here's your gap. See that little gap that you have right there where the stock had the gap down? So this is a gap fill and it's prior resistance. So we tried to break through that gap in the end of November, beginning of December. Okay. Okay. With that level there from early December and the end of November, and we got denied. So I see that resistance level, and that's why that becomes a profit target for me. And that's why I'm telling you guys, if this stock gets above that level, it has room. Okay. It has room. All right. So this is why I'm long the stock. Okay, that's why I took a piece of profit off there. We've now been consolidating, trading sideways, almost forming, okay, a bit of what? A bit of a wedge here, guys. Almost forming a bit of a wedge, right? Almost forming a bit of a wedge here. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But if we get back over 7, I think the stock is going to go. If we get over $7 tomorrow, I think the stock goes. All right. My stop loss is down around $6. Okay, my stop loss is down around $6. All right, on this position. I've already taken profit, so it makes it very easy for me to hold this if we get a bit of a pullback going into tomorrow or the day after. Okay, but again, I'm looking for us to break through that level. Okay, so tomorrow, if we do something like this, okay, if you see tomorrow WWR puts in a candle that looks like that, I think it's game on. Game on if WWR has a candle that looks like this tomorrow. Okay, so pay very close attention to this tomorrow. If it does something like this, I think it's game on. Okay, but if we get this, like if we get a pullback action like this, I will stop out of the rest of my position. Okay, I will stop out of the rest of my position, and I'll read that as a failed attempt to break through this resistance level. Okay, that I would read that as a failed attempt if the stock puts in that type of a candle. Okay, listen, guys, my last swing trade was an absolute grand slam. It was Sun W. For those of you that have been following my channel, I got long SUNW on this day at $8.02. And you guys can see what that stock has done over the last 2 to 3 weeks. Has been one of the best swing trades that I've had in quite a while. I'm no longer in the trade. I got flat this position right in here. Okay, I got flat this position. So I've missed out on this last extension move. But even with that said, it was a monster of a win for me. Some members are still in this. Congratulations to those of you that are still in SunW. That was an absolute monster. That was my last swing trade. And now this one, WWR, is my new one. We'll see if I can get through this level. If so, I think we're getting paid, and I think we're going to get paid handsomely. If not, already took some profit. My stop loss will be 6. All right. So I'll continue to update you guys. All right. I will continue to update you guys on that trade. All right. So that's it, guys. That just about wraps it up there for the market outlook and what I'm talking about there. Like I said, Apple, Tesla, the overall markets, my WWR swing trade. So you guys know what time it is now. It's Tesla time, baby. Because right here, right now on this live stream, I am going to be giving away a brand new Tesla Model 3 or $30,000 cash, completely up to the winner. So whoever wins, you have that option. You've got a choice, either a Tesla or $30,000 cash. I can't wait. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited. Let's go. Guys, in order to help me give away this Tesla Model 3 and this $30,000 cash, I've got to bring on my main man, my brother from another, my partner in crime, my partner with True Trading Group. Guys, please welcome the TTG fam. You all know him as Shug. Everybody else that's on this live stream, guys, say a big what's up, hello, and welcome my boy, Adam. Adam, what's up, brother? You ready to get this going or what? I see you fumble around with your webcam. Hold on, guys. Adam's getting his webcam situated. It's falling off his screen. It looks like an earthquake. There's a tornado, maybe. I think he's just so excited for the giveaway that he can't. His computer is just jumping up and down on his desk. Hold on, guys. He's trying to get his webcam situated, so give me a minute. Almost. Come on. Come on. There you go. There it is, buddy. You ready, man? Let's do this.
What's going on, everyone? Hey, there we go. Can you hear me? Mike.
Yo.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can everybody hear Adam? My man. Are you ready, bro? You ready to do this or what?
This always makes me so nervous.
I get nervous.
It gets me so incredibly nervous because I always hope that when we do this that it's somebody that needs it, you know?
Yeah, for sure. I really hope it's I really do. I hope it's someone that needs it. You know, that's it. That's all that I hope for. You know, I mean, $30,000 is a lot of money that could easily change someone's life.
And overnight change somebody's life.
Literally could change someone's life overnight. And with everything that's been going on with COVID and how many people lost their jobs or have been furloughed or small business owners that lost their income. I mean, this is something that, you know, I get excited and I love to do this and I love to do these giveaways. And, you know, it's something that's become, you know, something that you and I look forward to, you know. I know.
Oh, yeah. I mean, look, it's I was talking to the members earlier. We had like a pre-live live stream meeting, and you know, the thing that we talked about was really, you know, making sure that, you know, look, as True Trading Group grows as a company, you know, it's important for us to be able to give back to our members, and these type of giveaways are things that we want to do. This is not just a one-time, you know, thing or some special thing just for tonight. This is something that we're going to continue to do for the long term. All right, for the long term. Hang on 1 second. Sorry. So, all right. So let's do it. So this is how this works, guys. So all of our True Trading Group annual members, I exported all of your usernames, not your nicknames in chat, but the usernames that you signed up with. Okay. And what we're gonna do is, I've exported that, I've put it into a Google Sheets, and I have paired that Google Sheets. Mike, stop sharing your screen on the back end to save some bandwidth.
Oh, what? Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, just cut the screen.
Yep.
All right, ready?
Yeah, man. Let's do it.
All right. Hang on one second. I just have to. There we go. All right, cool. So now let's go to, I will share my screen. All right, here we go. All right, guys, so this is how this works, okay? We're going to go ahead and spin this wheel. This wheel is going to spin for 30 seconds. We use wheelofnames.com. It is as random is going to get. We have 3,576 True Trading Group members in this list, okay, with the usernames that they have signed up with, not the nicknames inside of chat. All right? So once we get a name, that name has to be verified, okay? The name has to be verified, meaning I take that name, I put it into the system on the other screen, and as long as that person has an active non-canceled membership, they are indeed the winner. If they do not have an active non-canceled membership, we spin it again, get the next person. Guys, if you are on here and your name is called, okay, and your name is called, get ready, because when we announce the winner, we're going to call you and try and bring you on to this live stream, okay? All right, so guys, not even worth it. All right, very cool.
And this is because somebody just, Sniper Trading Group was just asking, how many cars have we given away? This is our fourth.
Yeah, and no one's taken the car yet. Everyone's taken the cash.
Yeah, everyone's taking the cash. This is our fourth giveaway, and the previous three winners have taken the cash. So no one has taken the car yet. Because like I said, the winner has an option. You can either take the car or you can take $30,000 cash. And so far, the three winners prior to this have taken the cash.
Right. 1 second. Sorry. All right, so here we go. Guys, real quick, our TTG members in here, I keep seeing a comment that's coming through on Periscope and Twitter claiming that this is a fraud, that we only give it to people that we know. For our TTG members, can you just sound off and let them know that this is 100% legitimate? Real quick. Yeah. That's weird. All these people must be paid. These are all my cousins, actually.
We must have paid.
These are all my cousins. These are all my cousins.
Friends. These are all my friends that are typing away.
I have the largest family in the world, I think.
You can't even literally give someone $30,000 without someone having an issue.
It's unreal. It's unreal.
So crazy.
Well, you know what? It's not entirely that person's fault. All people see nonstop is,
that's true.
Teams. So it's okay, man.
That's true.
Keep coming back. More will be revealed. All right, so let's go ahead and spin this, and give this away. All right, and guys, get your phones ready because I promise you, I'm going to call you.
Please have your phones ready because if you guys win, we're gonna pull you on to the live stream. So please have your phones or be by your computer, something, please.
Yeah, I'll just be like, hey, Dad, call Cousin John. Or hey, Siri, call Cousin John. Fucking douche. All right, here we go. Let's do this.
Let's do it, man.
You ready?
Let's go!
All right, there we go.
All right, guys, here we go. The wheel is spinning. The wheel is spinning, baby. Oh, here we go.
Oh.
WK Wheeland.
All right, hang on. I got to put it through.
Hold on. Let's verify.
The winner will be one of... This guy's such a tool. Hang on 1 second.
Hold on, guys.
I gotta verify it first. Give me 1 second.
I can't even keep track of the chat if WK Wheeland is even.
Nope, it is. It's good to go. That is our winner. WK Wheeland is our winner, and I am going to get him on right now.
Congrats, WK Wheeland.
1 second. Here we go. All right, excellent. Let me get okay, got it. Hang on, calling him now.
All right, guys, hold on. We're calling him now.
He signed up in December. Here we go.
Let's do it.
Your call has been.
Oh, God.
Oh, no. Text him.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated.
Oh, my gosh. Hang on.
I guess I forgot to tell my cousin to answer the phone.
Yeah, we forgot to tell him to answer the phone.
He's probably watching the football game. No.
All right, he's texting me. He's like, it's not ringing. Hang on, he's responding. He's responding.
We're good, guys. He's responding. He might, Adam, he might have like if he doesn't have the number saved, it won't come through. He might have that thing on his phone. Tell him to call you.
Yeah. Hang on. Oh, there he is. Hang on.
Yes.
Yo,
what's up, man? Can you hear us?
Can you hear us? We can't. This is. Oh wait, he's gonna.
Awesome.
I think he's gonna try and go back on. Hang on.
Adam, what's his name?
His name's Bill.
Bill. You can try to get him back on?
Yeah. Hang on. He says, hold on. He says, hold on,
guys. He's coming. I mean, he looked excited. Bill. His name is Bill, not Phil, guys. Bill.
All right, there he is.
Oh, we got him.
Yo,
Bill, what's up, man?
Oh, the sound.
We have no audio. We can't hear you. No. Ah, damn. Can you help him, Adam?
Yeah, hang on.
All right, hold on, Bill. Check your phone. Adam's going to try to help you get your mic working.
I figured it out. Yo, what's up, buddy?
Hey, what's going on, guys?
Nothing much.
Can you make it louder, Adam?
No.
Or bring him closer to your speaker then.
Shush. Yeah, we can hear you.
Oh. Is this happening?
It is happening.
A football game.
Adam, bring the phone closer to your speaker, to your microphone.
Everyone except you. He's good. All right. Well, congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much. Let me turn the volume down on my computer. So.
Yeah. Please.
There we go. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. So yeah, man. You just won a brand new Tesla Model 3 or a car. Mike looks more surprised than anyone right now. Mike, what's going on? Can you hear okay or no?
No, you really can't. You really can't hear Bill.
I mean, everyone else says they can. Guys, can you hear Bill okay? I don't know. What about now? Can you guys hear Bill okay now? Bill, talk for me, will you?
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Anything?
Mike, and you can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you fine. We just can't really hear Bill, which is what I was saying the whole time.
Go. All right. Well, there's a mic over here. Bill, talk one more time.
Can you hear me? Nothing? Can you hear me?
Seeing so.
I can hear you guys fine.
Yeah, I have you on my phone. It's not the headset microphone. It's not this microphone. There's a microphone to my left that the sound is coming from, an omnidirectional mic. And are you on a laptop?
I am on a laptop, yeah.
Gotcha. And the mic is not working on the laptop?
No, I don't usually use the mic, so I don't know. I'm in shock, guys.
Gotcha. I wonder why they can hear me and not you. You're on speakerphone.
Does he have his Bluetooth on with his earbud? Maybe if he turns that off.
Yeah. Do you have your ear? Well, yeah. Are you talking into your? Is your phone on speakerphone or what are you doing?
Mine is it's through my earbuds.
Take the earbuds off. Put it on speakerphone.
Okay. Is that better?
Is that any better?
Keep talking.
Keep talking, Bill.
Can you hear me now?
It's kind of the same.
No?
I just didn't know if he disconnected his earbuds, if he can use the audio that's on his.
Oh, people are saying yes, better, yes. We can hear it.
Okay.
All right, we'll just go from here. All right.
Okay.
All right. No, you're fine. I'll move it as close to the microphone and my headset as possible. So, all right. Well, congratulations. You've won a brand new Tesla Model 3, or $30,000 cash.
I'm gonna take $30,000.
That's a good choice.
He's
He's gonna take the 30 grand. He's gonna take the 30 grand. He's taking the cash. He's taking the cash. So, what is Yeah, man. I mean, you signed up in December. What's it been like over at True Trading Group so far?
It's really been amazing. I mean, the group, the support was unexpected. That really wasn't. I signed up for the education. I caught Mike on YouTube, watched a few videos, and I signed up for the 3-day trial, the 7-day trial. And on my second day, I joined as a full-time member. It was obvious my first day in chat that this is the community that I need to surround myself, the people that I need to surround myself with. So, I'm halfway through the courses. I'm kind of hung up on options right now. But the first part up until that was, I absorbed the information. It all made sense, and I was
Unreal.
That sounded much better, though. We can hear him much better. We can hear him much better that time.
All right. Yeah, there we go.
Sorry.
Got it.
No, I was just saying that the education has been invaluable, and the support group, the chat. I honestly, I gained so much just listening to Mike break down his charts, his trades at the end of the night, and Wolf just talking about the pot sector, and just I don't know, there's hidden value, I guess, in everything that I've experienced so far. It's really been great, and to know that I can continue that journey now, thanks to you guys. You're changing lives week in and week out.
Awesome, man.
It's been a great experience.
Bill, for the handful of people on here that said that you would have to be either a cousin or a good friend. Have you and I ever met before, or are we related in any which way?
Do we look alike?
No.
No. It's as real as it gets. It's as real as it gets. I mean, I started out just combing through YouTube, and I kind of got into this like most people this time around when the market crashed, and you saw an opportunity to change the course of your life. And I forget why I lost my train of thought, but
that's right,
no, we're not related.
Okay.
What I was going to say was that, you can tell who's just out to make a buck and who's out to help people and change lives. And TTG is legit 100%.
Oh, thanks, man. And how have you done trading since you've signed up? And don't just say good because you're getting 30 grand. Be honest about it.
Yeah, be totally honest. Tell us how were you trading for a while? Like,
say that again. Say it again.
I've had maybe one good trade for every 5 bad trades. But really I'm taking notes for my one-on-one after I get done with the courses, and I'm going to schedule my one-on-one. I'm taking notes of my experience and things that I'm trying to implement. It's really hard to break old habits, and for me at least. But that's part of the reason why this is such a valuable option. TTG is where you need to be, because you have that guidance. You can build confidence through, even if you don't trade, just watching, listening to Mike and following along in the trades, and Jason and everybody else, that Toner and Momin, and you see their different styles, and you can I can adapt my trading based on what I'm learning.
definitely.
Mm-hmm. And yes, I mean that all sounds great, man. I hope this helps you and your family.
Sure, you're right. I'm just reading the comments. I don't know how you guys do this. There's a lot going on here.
Yeah. 6 nights a week. Look, I hope this helps you and your family, man, and I hope that you use it in good health. And that's it, man. And we appreciate you and every other member of True Trading Group being here, and however we can help you, have it so that for every 5 good trades, you have 1 bad trade. We will. And look, it really is just a matter of time. You signed up was it the beginning or middle of December?
Beginning of December. Yeah.
Beginning of December. You're going through the courses. There's a lot of old habits that people need to go and break in order to become successful. And, look, Rome wasn't built in a day, but I think it's great that you share that honestly on here, because it lets people know that just because we're giving away Teslas or $30,000, or just because a bunch of people say that, they made a lot of money, doesn't mean you're going to sign up tonight and make $1 million tomorrow. Right. And I think that that's important, because what we're doing here is we're showing people how to stand on their own 2 feet long term. And that's what's important here, is so that, eventually you don't need to go and follow Mike or Moment or Toner or Downing or any of our moderators. You can go in and get into your own trades and understand what that's like, so that you can stand on your own 2 feet. And that's really our goal. And we couldn't be happier for you, man, that you're here and we get to participate at any level on that journey with you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I'm still in shock. I can't thank you enough. I really can't.
No, it's our absolute pleasure, man. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna shoot you a text with some information that I need from you, and I will have that money over to you before end of business tomorrow via wire transfer.
Okay.
All right.
Congratulations, Bill.
Congratulations, man. Congratulations.
I'll see you in chat tomorrow, brother.
See you in chat. Thanks, bud.
All right. Take care.
Bye.
Bye, man.
Awesome.
That's awesome, man. That's awesome.
We got one!
We got it!
That answered the phone. Oh, I don't want to be big. How do I here? Oh crap. There we go.
I'll take it. Bring it all to me. I'll take it. pass it on to me. That's awesome, man. Dude, he first of all, I'm glad we were able to actually, because last time the person wasn't on the stream, we couldn't get him on.
Correct.
I'm happy we were able to get him on, even with, it took us a little bit, but we were able to do it. I'm happy we were able to get him on, and it seems like this, this really helps him out, and I just love it. I just love doing this stuff, man. I do. I really, really do. And it's, people could hate all they want, man, but at the end of the day, doesn't matter. All that matters is us and the TTG fam. And
I was so happy to make sure that my Uncle Bill got $30,000 tonight.
Oh man, people are crazy, bro. People are crazy. Like, you can't even. But you know what? I get it though, because there's so much bullshit out there. I get it. I'm not even mad at him. But again, all that matters though, at the end of the day, man, it's if you're part of the TTG fam, you're all I care about. If somebody isn't, they want to say something negative.
He just sent me a message. He goes, "Thank you guys." And then there's like 1,000 exclamation points. He goes, "So fucking much." And then there's more exclamation points. He goes, "It just hit me right now."
Bill, congratulations, man.
Congratulations, brother. It's our absolute pleasure. And we're like, let me see. I think we are almost 15% of the way there to another one.
Are we? Wow. We're going to be giving away another one next month.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, man, definitely. We're going to be giving away another one next month, man.
100%.
What, you think anyone's going to take the car?
Not if they're smart.
Right?
Not if they're smart. I mean, let's be 100% honest here. Okay, let's be 100%. Let's get real. Let's get real. I'll make myself a little bit bigger for this. So I like that. Hang on, let me add like a little cool.
This is better. I like
that's spicy. I like that.
Spice it up. 8.
Yeah. Hang on. Wait. And then I could even do something like this. Like, wait. Look at that. All right, let's get real for a quick second. All right. Look, the car thing is great. People, it's awesome because we get to say, hey, you're going to get a Tesla or a Porsche, and it sounds great. But let me tell you right now. Let me tell you guys right now. If you want the car, you get the car. That's no problem. We'll gladly give it to you. Take the cash. The cash is a way better option. Especially because you got to think of it like this. We're giving you a tool to literally giving you we're giving you a tool to take that cash and parlay it and make more cash.
Yeah, true.
You know what I'm saying?
Good point.
So, I mean,
takes them right out of PT rule.
Right. And look, you got to pay taxes on the look, we're very compliant. All of these giveaways are registered with the Florida State Agriculture and Gaming Commission. Our rules are submitted, our winners are submitted. We have all of our paperwork. Also, so with that said, all of the winners, they have to, pay taxes either on the cash or the car.
Right.
The cars will be a little bit more expensive. The cars will be a little bit more expensive, so there's a higher tax bill.
Yeah.
But with the cash, you just pay the taxes with the cash, take the cash, and go turn it into more cash.
Yeah, turn it into more cash.
Oh,
man.
So, anyways.
Cool, man.
Awesome. Yeah, look, hashtag TV. After tax, I got $22,500. It's excellent.
Yeah.
That's excellent. You pay your tax, you're done with it, that's it. We live in the US. Uncle Sam's got to get his. And that's it. So boom, baby. That's what it is. Guys, thank you so much. I'm going to go. And awesome, man. I love doing this, dude.
Yeah, man.
I love doing this.
Thanks for coming on and doing this. It's a lot of fun. I love doing it.
I had a choice.
We'll be doing another one soon.
All right, bye.
Later. Ah, man, that's awesome. I love it. Another TTG member lives being changed. No exaggerations, not being facetious, no cliche, nothing. Real. Just real. It's real talk, changing lives. If you guys have been following this channel now for a while, you look back at some of the live streams that we have done over the last couple of weeks. If you've watched my lives over the last couple of weeks, that it's happening. This is real. This is not it's not a gimmick, because these aren't, sales tactics. These are, genuine lives that are improving for the better through the platform that we've created. And I'm, it's not all about the giveaways. It's not all about the gift. Listen, guys, the Tesla is $30,000. It's cool. It's awesome. It's so much fun. Believe me, I love it. Believe me, I get more hyped probably than even you guys. Like, I get more hyped giving it away, I think, than some of you guys do. Just having a chance to win it. But True Training Group is about so much more than just a giveaway or $30,000 or a Tesla. This is a skill set that you can take with you for the rest of your life, that we're building relationships that will last a lifetime. Guys, my TTG family, they're not just like members, like they're fam now. These are relationships that we have forged that, once COVID is over with, we're all going to be getting together in person. We're going to be, getting drinks, going out and having dinners. We're going to be doing, in-person meetups, and we're going to be doing so much stuff. And these are, truly just building relationships and friendships that are going to last a lifetime. And just like, building and acquiring a skill that could last a lifetime. And that's really what it's all about. It's not just about the giveaways, and it's a lot of fun, man. Trust me, but it's a lot more to it than just that. It's our pleasure to do this stuff, and I'm blessed to be in a position to where we can do this as a company to give back to our members. I'm thrilled, and we're going to keep doing it. We're going to keep doing it. As we get bigger as a company, we're going to keep doing this, and we'll switch it up. We'll do some other stuff. We'll do some other giveaways. And, but you know, when it comes down to changing people's lives, it's not just the 30K, but it's the education, and it's the resources, and it's the relationships that come along with it. So thank you guys for joining me for this. And I really appreciate it. You guys being a part of this, it means a lot. What I will do here right now, actually, I want to know, if you guys are not a member of True Training Group, okay? Because like these giveaways are just for TTG members. If you are a full-time member, not a trial member, if you're a full member of TTG, you are automatically included in these giveaways. And like Adam said, we're about 15% of the way there for our next giveaway. So we're going to be doing this again in February. But if you're not a TTG member and you're on this live stream, guys, comment in chat, write the letters TTG in chat right now. If you are not a member of True Training Group, I want to see how many people are on the live that are not members. All right, we got Jake Lackey, Paul Johnson, Joshua, Casey Niles, Strauss, Robert, PLB Fashion, Jason Powell, Paul Johnson, Paul Chavez, Doug Wilson, Massimo, Brian. Massimo, why are you still not a member, man? I see you on these lives all the time. The guy, Sean Fitzgerald, Brandon Reinhardt, Jay Trod, Jim G, Gert BM, Benjamin Baker, Earl Benson, Gene Mederick, Giselle, Number One Dad, Matt Hugh, Dave Norby, Kwasi, Diane Frederick, Casey Niles, Melissa, T-Bad Burns, Oi Bruv, Jeff Taylor, Victor A, The Icon, Marty S, Amy, No Beyond, Rita, Carlos Sanchez, Red Gill, Val Kill says not yet. I like your style. Hector, Quasi, Christopher, Kevin says I need to join. I'm ready when you are, Kev. John Hill, Ricardo, Goose, Brian, Tam, Kevin Smith, Vanilla Baby. We got Loggy 805, Amit, John Young, Lost Airballs, Nicole 76, Vanilla Baby. I got you. I see you, man. You can stop typing TTG. I see you. Ricardo Chambers, Rafaka Alam, Casey Niles. Yep. Okay, good, guys. Beautiful. All right, so we have a lot of non-TTG members that are with us here in chat right now. I would love to know, for those of you that are not members of TTG, for those of you that are not members, okay, I want to know what your goals are with trading. I want you guys to type your goals for me in chat right now. Those of you that are not a TTG member, I want you guys to type your goals in chat right now. What does it mean to you to become a consistently profitable trader? What are some of your goals? Want to be a successful options trader. Financial freedom to be friends with you. I want to be your friend too. I love you guys. I want to learn daily trading. Pay off my divorce attorney. Ugh. I want to become financially free. Make $100 a day. I want to go to the moon. Okay. Make 100 a day on average. I want to retire early. I want to get rid of my old habits. My goal is to become as good as you, if not better. Better, Matt. Always better, man. I want you guys always, all of you to become better. To live a better life with less headache running a business. Yes, Robert, I feel you on that one. I want to impress the ladies. To make money for income and fix my house. I want to retire my parents. Get rid of my financial advisor. I want to purchase the Yankees. I'll go in with you. We'll go halvesies. Pay bills and sleep easy at night. I want to be debt-free and travel the world and do missionary work. Yes. Andrew wants to help his son. Matt Hugh, I see you, man. I see you, Matt. Pay off at my house and travel. My goal is to learn more from you. Give a good future to my son. Amen. Use the capital to create a business venture to have full-time income. I want to move to the coast. Nice, Judy. All right, Judy's in. All right, so we got Judy, me, and we're partnering on buying the New York Yankees. It's just a few billion, nothing to worry about. Good, guys. Awesome. Feed my grandkids. Yes, I'm going to retire tomorrow. All right, guys, beautiful. Listen, these are all fantastic goals. These are great goals. And I think that it's important for you to have motivational goals. You know, everybody needs to have a reason. Like, you need to have a reason why to motivate you to do this. Because like I said, guys, this is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not like, hey, sign up to TTG, you'll make $1 million tomorrow. You know, you have to be willing to put in a little bit of work. You have to be willing to learn a skill. It's just like any other skill. You know, if you wanted to excel at anything else, you'd have to take the time to learn it. Trading is no different. But what is different about True Trading Group is, you know, we're not just oh, hey, this is a get rich quick scheme. But what does make us different is that I promise you, myself and the rest of the TTG family will be there with you every single step of the way to give you the guidance, mentorship, resources, and education you need to become consistently profitable and to achieve your goals. All of these things that you guys are typing in chat as your goals, they're all possible. They're all realistic. And it's important for you to set realistic goals because it's important to build confidence as a trader. Like I always tell people to, like, these are your long-term goals, right? These are your long-term goals. And it's good to have them. You should have them because it keeps pushing you and it keeps you going, right? It keeps you going. But have shorter-term goals as well. It's important to cross off your goals as a beginner trader to build confidence. If you've never made $100 in a day, that's one of your goals. Achieve it, cross it off. New goal, 200. Achieve it, cross it off. New goal, 500. Achieve it, cross it off. If you never had 5 green days in a week, that's one of your goals. Like, keep making and setting goals like that are very detailed, very realistic. So as you can achieve them, you cross them off. It gives you self-confidence and a sense of achievement. And that's a very, very important thing when it comes to being a consistently profitable trader. Okay. So guys, listen up. For those of you that typed TTG in chat, I need you guys to pay attention because TTG is so much more than just a chat room and an alert service. All right. If you guys haven't noticed that by now, the camaraderie and the family environment that we have here in True Trading Group, but we truly will teach you how to fish and how to stand on your own 2 feet. And this is how. Okay. Let me ask all of you guys a question real quick. What is it worth to you to learn a new skill that has the potential to change your life for the better, that has the potential to help you stand on your own 2 feet financially, to achieve all of the goals that you all just mentioned to me right now on this chat? Because a membership to True Trading Group would normally cost you $2,212. But right now on this live stream, I am offering you this at a 40% discount when you use coupon code TTG121. That will bring the price of your membership all the way down to only $1,315. Now, for those of you that might be thinking, you know what, that kind of sounds like a lot, think again, because this is what you get as a member of True Trading Group. Allow me to explain the value that you are actually getting for that $1,315. First of all, it is a year membership. It is all inclusive, which means every single thing that we have on our site is included in your membership. We take the top premium trading tools and products and we bundle them together as part of your TTG membership. We have a Benzinga Pro real-time news feed and Squawk Box feature right inside of our chat room that gives you breaking up to the second news alerts right in chat. People ask me, where do I get my news from? The chat room. This is where I get my news from, because getting news in the split second is vital when you are an active trader. And this feature allows me and the TTG fam to do exactly just that. We even have a Squawk Box feature, so you can turn on your speakers, and instead of reading the news as it comes across the news feed, you can actually have someone read it out loud, and you can listen to the news headlines as they come across the wire. Okay. You will also have access to real-time level 1 and full book level 2 and real-time streaming options data with your membership. There's no additional fee for any of this. This is all included. Okay. Also, our trading simulator. Our trading simulator allows you to trade stocks and options with fake money with real-time data. So you can practice implementing what you learn in the courses, practice implementing it on our simulator, Prove to yourself that you can be consistently profitable before you start risking your hard-earned money. You will also have access to the Trade Ideas real-time preset scanner that is streamed directly to our members. This is a trade idea scanner that will notify you when a stock makes a new high of the day, when stocks are having unusual volume bursts, your top gainers on the day, streamed directly live in real time to all of our members in chat. Then you are going to also have access to TradingView Pro charting software with real-time streaming data as well. This is a charting software right there up on your screen that is included with your membership when you guys sign up to TTG. You're getting at least a minimum of 10 easy-to-follow, actionable, real-time trade alerts per week from a community of traders that has about an 84% win rate right now. We are hot in chat right now. We are. The action is fantastic. The moderators are on fire. So that means that when a moderator calls out a trade alert, that it is a profitable alert more than 80% of the time right now. We are on fire, guys. You just have to get your butts in chat. And when I said all inclusive, I mean it. There are no upsells. You get access to all of our courses. You don't sign up and you get some courses. Then all of a sudden there's these pro or VIP courses that hold some kind of secret that's going to cost you more money. None of that nonsense. When you sign up to TTG, you get access to everything. That is a 15-course curriculum that myself and some of the other moderators have wrote and put together. This is a simplified version of the education that I received when I worked at a fund right out of college. My very first job, I got hired at a fund on Wall Street, and they did not let me touch a dollar of their money until I went through their educational training. I did not figure this stuff out on my own. I was taught by professional traders that do this for a living. That is where I got my education. And when you go through the True Trading Group education, you are getting a simplified version of the exact same thing. We've got beginner and foundation courses, advanced courses, option courses, swing trading courses, trader psychology courses, how to trade a market crash. We even have a course that tells you how to do your taxes as a trader. You name it, you get access to all of it. No upsells. You get access to every single course that we have. Each course comes in text and video format, whichever's easier for you. And in addition to the courses, we have over 90 hours of additional recorded workshops and webinars and live events, okay, that myself and the other moderators have conducted over the last couple of years. Here's an example of some of them. How to grow a $500 trading account into $25K. That's an hour and 17-minute long workshop. How to trade successfully with a full-time job. Okay, trader psychology, how to resist FOMO, how to have the confidence pulling the trigger, how to get started trading options 101. These are just some of the topics that we conduct with our members. Okay, so on top of the courses, myself and the moderators conduct these live workshop events. They are all recorded and they are put into this video library for you to go back and watch. And as a full-time member, you can now actually start to attend these workshops live, ask questions, interact with the moderators. You guys will also just be able to have access to us in general in chat. Okay, you have the ability to private message myself and the other moderators throughout the course of the day to ask us questions. Everybody comes on these live streams and they go, Mike, what do you think about GameStop? Mike, what do you think about NIO? Mike, what do you think about this? What do you think about Tesla? What do you think about Sun W? What do you think about this? Wouldn't it be nice to ask me what I think about a stock at 10 o'clock in the morning when you can actually act on the advice that I am giving you? You can send me messages throughout the course of the day, guys. You get access as a member of True Trading Group. Like I said, a membership to TTG normally would cost you $2,212 for the year. However, right now on this live until midnight tonight, you have until midnight tonight to use coupon code TTG121 to get a 40% discount that will bring the price of your membership all the way down to just $1,315. After midnight tonight, the price is going up. Take advantage of that coupon code now while the price is still $1,315, because you're also locking that price in for next year. When it comes time for your membership to renew next year, you will only pay the price you pay when you sign up. So if you sign up today for $13.15, and let's say next year our membership is $2,400, you will only pay $13.15 to renew your membership. So you're saving 40% today, but heck, you might be saving 50% next year. Take advantage and lock that price in now before the price goes up at midnight. Okay. And on top of that, anyone that signs up by midnight, not only are you going to lock in that 40% discount, but I'm also going to give you a free Amazon Kindle HD tablet. It's a free Amazon Kindle Fire HD tablet, totally free. I'm even going to cover the shipping. It is our gift to you. This is the perfect tool for you to stay connected while you're on the go. Use our mobile app. All members get access to the TTG mobile app that's downloadable on iPhone and Android that allows you to stay connected to our chat room. Even if you're not in front of your computer, you will be able to see our screen share because myself and the moderators share our screen with you during the day in chat. We are all live on the microphone. You will be able to listen to that audio analysis through the mobile app because we are calling out where we see opportunities throughout the day in real time. Whenever I'm about to buy a stock, I will come on the microphone and I will tell you that I'm about to buy this stock and where I'm going to be buying it. I will always tell you what I'm buying and what I'm selling before I do it. My TTG members that are on this live stream, is that true? Yes or no? Do I or do I not come on the microphone and tell you, guys, I'm going to buy this stock before I actually buy it? Do I come on the microphone and tell you I'm going to sell this stock before I actually sell it? My TTG family members, sound off in chat if this is true. Okay? Sound off in chat if this is true. Guys, pay attention to the comments that you are seeing right now in chat. Okay? Anyone that joins by midnight tonight is going to get that 40% discount, and they're going to get that free Amazon Kindle Fire HD tablet. Now, that Amazon Kindle Fire, that's cool. Some extra value. I love it. Great. But speaking of value, get this. All those products and resources I told you about, I'm going to blow your mind. That Benzinga Pro newsfeed with the Squawk Box feature, that would cost, okay, that would cost $1,188 a year if you signed up for it through Benzinga on your own. It's included for free at no additional cost with your membership. Real-time level 1 and full book level 2 with the options data, that's $990 a year at some other services. It's included for free with your membership. This trade simulator, $750 a year, included, no additional fee. That TradingView Pro charting software, $720 a year, included for free, no additional fee. Guys, that's $3,648 in premium products, services, and resources that are included with your membership for free. And you can get a membership right now for only $1,315. Okay? Take advantage before the price goes up at midnight, because I'm going to take it one step further. Every single person that types TTG in chat, listen to me very carefully, because I'm about to show you how much I believe in TTG and how confident I am that if you put in just a little bit of work, this can and will work for you. This is what I'm willing to offer you. Anyone that is still on the fence, okay? Anyone that is still on the fence, I'm going to make you a deal. Sign up right now with coupon code TTG121. Go through all of our courses, pass all of our quizzes at the end of the courses, and attend one of our private study group sessions. And if you still do not make back the $1,315 at least once throughout the course of your membership, I will give you all of your money back. Let me say that again. That's how much I believe in this education. If you sign up with this coupon code by midnight, I will give you a money back guarantee. Go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend one of our study group sessions, and if you don't make that $1,315 back at least once at the course of your membership, I'll give you all your money back. How many people are willing to do that? Guys, that's how confident I am in the education, because it's the same education that made me the trader that I am today. I talk to all of my members on a daily basis. It's the same education that is allowing them to have the success that they are having. That's why I'm comfortable giving you this money back guarantee, because if you put in a little bit of work, I'm confident it can work for you. My TTG family members, I want you to sound off in chat right now. Is TTG membership worth it? Yes or no? Is the TTG membership worth this $1,300 that people on YouTube can get right now? Is it worth it? Yes or no? My TTG fam, sound off in chat. If you are not a TTG member, I want you to pay attention to the comments that are going to come through on the chat right now. Listen to your peers. Don't listen to me. Listen to your peers. These are people that were in your exact same shoes a couple of weeks or a couple months ago. These are people that came on one of these live streams. They watched me go through trade ideas and trade recaps and give them lessons. And they were like, you know what? This guy really knows his shit. I'm going to sign up. I'm going to see if this works for me. And now they are all telling you, yes, I've been there. I've done that. It's worth it. Trust me. Listen to your peers, because all these people that are commenting in chat right now, they all have been in your exact same position. All of them. If they can do it, so can you. Sign up with coupon code TTG121 before the price goes up at midnight. You saw me give away $30,000 here tonight. Every time I get 300 new members, we do this. I'm going to do this again next month. All you need to do is be a member, and you will automatically be included in the next raffle. Okay, that's it. It'll automatically be included. You'll automatically be included in that next raffle if you guys sign up and are become a full-time member. Okay. Now, if you guys are not ready to become a full-time member, if you guys are not ready to become a full-time member, we do have a 7-day trial. Okay, we do have a 7-day trial where you guys could join and get access to our member dashboard for 7 days. See the resources and tools that are available to you as a full-time member. You will also be able to get access to 3 trial courses that are just some sample courses and trial courses that you guys can go through that are included in that trial program for just $3. That's it. It's $3, guys. Okay. Our trial program is only $3. It's a one-time payment of $3. Okay. It's not reoccurring. There's no auto renew. It's a one-time payment of $3. It's less than a cup of coffee. You guys spend $3 on way dumber stuff. Okay. I guarantee you this $3 could potentially change your life. Okay. Those 3 courses you get with your trial, they're different from the regular full curriculum. They're trial courses, but they're easily worth a few $100. Whether you never traded a stock a day in your life, or you've been trading for years, those courses are guaranteed to help make you a better trader. You're also going to get 3 days access to our trading chat room to trade with me and the rest of the team live. You're going to be able to use our due diligence tool, which gives you free analyst ratings. And you're also going to get access to all of our trade history. All of our trade history is on our website for everyone to view. We're fully transparent. All the wins, all the losses, all the break evens, they are right there on the website for you to view. You guys will have access to that. And get this. As a full-time member, you will be able to attend our next Trader Palooza event. Trader Palooza is on January 30th. You might be asking, what is Trader Palooza? Sounds cool. What is it? It's way cooler than it even sounds. My TTG fam, sound off in chat. How much do you love Trader Palooza? Sound off in chat. Trader Palooza is an all-day virtual trading workshop that we do every couple months, where myself and the other moderators conduct 1-hour workshops covering various trading topics. Okay. And as a member of True Trading Group, you can log in and log out based on the itinerary and the schedule of what workshop you want to attend. So let's say at 10 a.m. you want to join me on proper position sizing, and then at 2 p.m. you want to join Momin on large cap options trading, and then at 3 p.m. you want to join Jason Spatafora to talk about the cannabis sector and what to expect in 2021. And then, maybe at 9 a.m. you want to join Jason Simmons, the professor, on how to set up a watch list and how to get your charting and go over basic charting patterns. You can log in and log out of the virtual trading workshop at whenever you want, based on the topics you want to attend. Okay. TTG members, is Trader Palooza worth the cost of a membership all by itself? You tell me. Because the $13.15 for the membership, Trader Palooza is probably worth the membership on its own just to attend a Trader Palooza event. It is it's a 12-hour long virtual trading workshop. The entire thing is recorded, so you can go back and rewatch it at a later date. Okay. And we have a 1 hour Q&A session dropped right in the middle of it. Okay. It is an educational boot camp. You're going to get more education in this one day than you have in the entire last year trading on your own. I promise you. Okay. Listen to your peers. Read the comments coming from these people. The Traderpalooza event is worth the cost of a membership on its own, but you are getting that totally free at no additional cost when you sign up. What else do I need to do to convince you guys that this is your chance to stand on your own 2 feet? This is your chance to become a consistently profitable trader. This is your chance to change something about your life. If you are unhappy with your trading results, it's time you do something different. And it starts right here, right now, just as it did for all the people you see commenting in chat. It started on one of these live streams for them. It's starting on one of these live streams for you. Use coupon code TTG121 before midnight. The price is going up at midnight. Do not ask me tomorrow about the 13.15. It's going up at midnight. I'm telling you that now. Coupon code TTG121 by midnight. You're also going to get that free Amazon Kindle Fire, and I'm also going to give you that money back guarantee for anyone that signs up by midnight tonight. If you guys are still not ready, like I said, you do have that 7-day trial. Go to ttgthree.com to sign up for the 7-day trial. You can upgrade to a full membership at any time during that trial, but you are under no obligation to do so whatsoever. There's no auto renew. There's no reoccurring payment. It just ends. Okay. That's ttgthree.com to sign up for our trial. It's just $3. That's it. Now, can't guarantee that 13.15 price point if you guys sign up for the trial. Okay. In fact, you're not going to get that 13.15 price point. Okay. If you guys want to lock in that, you got to use coupon code TTG121 here before midnight. But if you want to sign up for the trial, you can upgrade to a full membership later. You just won't get the 13.15 price point. You're not going to get the free Amazon Kindle, and you won't be included in the next Tesla raffle unless you upgrade to a full-time member. Okay. Otherwise, like I said, I'm sorry. So for the trial, go to ttgthree.com. Otherwise, use coupon code TTG121. Get your butts in chat. We've been on fire. The action is phenomenal right now in markets, and everybody's going to have their eyes on GameStop tomorrow, including myself. So if you guys want to trade, we crushed GameStop on Friday, not once, but twice. We crushed GameStop. I'm going to be focusing on that again tomorrow. So if you want to trade GameStop with me, you better get your butt in chat. Use that coupon code TTG121 right now before midnight, and I'll see you guys all in chat. Thank you for joining me today on this live stream to help me give away $30,000 to one lucky TTG member. Again, Bill, congratulations, my man. Congratulations. I will see you guys all live here in chat tomorrow. Have a great night, everybody. If you haven't done so already, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and of course, smash that like button. I'll see you guys all later tomorrow.